Hello everyone. We have 5 balls here and you can see different brands, different sizes, and for different sports. Like this is for basketball. It needs air a little bit. This one also. This one almost flat. This one and this one. So this is all you need to add air. This is the one you can buy them from any store, like a sports store, dollar store. So those comes to like that. This goes to the manual air pump, like this one. So simply it fits here like that, and then lock it just like that. And this adapter, actually this one, it goes to the compressor. If you have a compressor, just like as you see here, and this one goes to the compressor, so just like that. So whatever, most people maybe they don't have a compressor at home or something, but you can use any regular air pump like this one or the small one. It should work too. So let's try to put some air here too. And you can see this one, it fits pretty much universal, so it fits all the ball. You can see this ball here. When you see it's so when I push it in, it holds. All you need just to push it a little bit. See, now it's ready to add air. So do not get to be like wider, thicker needle like this one, thicker than this one. Make sure the needle, it fits just exactly in this hole, just like that. So let's put some air here. First we lock this one like that, put this one in, and then we start adding some air. Here you can see the pressure. So probably like I don't know, maybe it takes like 30, maybe 30, something like that. But you can feel it. You don't have to put too much air, otherwise it will explode. So yeah, that should be good. Okay, so that's the first one. Here's the basketball. Here's the hole. Push it all the way. See, now you can hear the air coming out. A little bit more. Should be good. Like that should be good. So this one also, same thing. That should be good. Now this one, pretty much almost flat. See? It's about 30 or 32. It depends on the size, the manufacturer of the ball. It depends on what kind of ball. You don't need to add more. So as you see here, just a little air should be good enough. That should be good. Thank you for watching. All the best and hope to see you next video.